Penbryn is a National Trust location, located on the coast in West Wales between Llangrannog and Tryssaeth. It's a mile-long sandy beach that is often less busy than its neighbouring seaside villages and towns, so it can be a good spot for relaxing on a sunny day. The River Hoffnant splits the beach in two as it flows down through the nearby woodland. It's easy enough to cross, but when it's been raining, it can be slightly more difficult. If the tide is out, it's possible to explore a cave on the northern end of the beach. This cave was previously used for smuggling. And when the tide is all the way out, it's possible to explore a sandy beach around the headland. But be careful, as the tide will come back in quick and you could end up getting stuck. So make sure to check the tides before you visit. Parking is located just up the hill a couple hundred metres away. There's a nice cafe, the Plum Tart, in the car park that's ideal for a snack or lunch, with both indoor and outdoor seating. It is possible to walk down to the beach simply following the road, or there is a longer path that goes through the woods. I'd recommend going this way at least once, like we did on the way back. There's an interesting array of plants. The floor is covered with different types of ferns and mosses and plenty of different species of tree. As with much of the West Wales coast, there's always great wildlife to be seen at Penbryn. Whether it's bottlenose dolphins or porpoise out in the sea, cormorants and gulls flying above, or during the months of August to December, you may even spot seals with their pups on the beach. Although if you do get to see this amazing scene, remember to stay well away, just so the pups don't get disturbed. Penbryn is also listed as a dark zone, and what this means is that it has very low light pollution, so it's a great spot for watching the stars at night. It's also extremely peaceful. You can't hear the noises of traffic or people, and most likely if you do go to watch the stars there at night, you'll probably be the only ones there, so it's definitely worth a shot. Although the beaches are generally great in the summer, it's well worth a visit here during the winter months. Seeing the rough seas crashing against the shore is always a fantastic thing to see, and for me personally, out of all the beaches I've visited, Penbryn has always been my favourite to go during the winter months. It's pretty quiet in the summer, it's definitely quiet in the winter, and because it's such a long beach, it always just feels very, very dramatic when you're there. So yeah, definitely worth a visit in the winter. So that's Penbryn Beach. It's slightly more of a hidden gem along the west coast compared to many other beaches, but it's such a great one and it's well worth a visit. Again, National Trust members, you get to park for free, so that's a bonus for any members out there. And one more fun fact before I leave you, Penbryn was also used as a filming location for the James Bond film Die Another Day with Pierce Brosnan. So yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this form of video. It's just something a little shorter, a little bit different. It's something I'm going to call my fact file series. So I'll do shorter videos with voiceover, just giving you some facts and information about different places across Wales. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers, boys. Diolch.